Hello, my name is Dania Garcia. I am from Boyacá. I live in Dorado Meta. I don't have a profession now. My native language is Spanish. I am 10 and 7 years old. I am a student of psychology. I usually get up at 6 am. I take a shower. I dress and then I brushes her teeth. After that, I have food the chicken. Then I have breakfast. For breakfast, I usually have meat and broth. Then I clean the house and at 10:30 I start to cook lunch. For lunch, I usually cook rice and potatoes with meat. Then I make homework. After homework, I usually listen to music and television a bit. I have past 7. I take the dime. Then I usually read a book or I chat with one my friends, a boyfriend for a while. Finally, I go to bed at about 11 o'clock, but before that I brushes her teeth.